What's going on YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs, and crazy story on how I'm doing what I'm doing right now, kind of. So I was flying in northern Arizona, coming on approach, was kind of like between Flagstaff, Sedona area. So I was looking out the window of the plane because it's pretty, and I saw this really cool canyon. I mean, I've seen Sedona, been to Sedona before, flown over, but I don't know, I just saw this cool canyon. It was like green and red. Seemed like maybe there was a river or something going through it. And so I was like, wow, that's sick. I want to go there. I want to photograph it. I want to film it with the drone, yada, 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 all that good stuff. So I went online, figured out kind of where the plane was, where this canyon was, and now we're heading there, and I'm super excited right now. As you can see, there's nothing to see. Let's fix this settings for us. Okay, now there's a little more than nothing to see, but still not much. Yeah, anyways, going to check out this spot. Never been there, don't know if anyone will be there. It's called Sycamore Point. It's got a name technically, but I kind of just like found it, winging it, that I found on Google Maps is where it's called and where the GPS is taking me. But looking forward to exploring and hopefully getting some good sunset shots there too. So should be sick, and we'll see you out there. Alright, so we got off the main road, we went to a dirt road, back to another main road, and now we're back on another dirt road, and there's a bunch of trees. Super pretty. It looks like a lot of good area for camping as well. I'll put a little thing down below with kind of like directions and a description of kind of the way I went. But anyways, yeah, it looks cool, and we're going to get some shots, and we're going to go to the spot. Alright, we just pulled up, and insane views beyond what I thought it was going to be. Again, another place where it's like, oh my gosh, holy crap. And it's only 2 hours from where I'm at, up in northern Arizona. I mean, there's Sedona, so many people are going. I came here Friday night, nobody here, and just wait till you see this view. Like, oh my gosh. What's going on YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs, and tonight, as you can see, epic view, Sycamore Point, northern Arizona. Nobody else is here on a Friday night, which is badass. Got it all to myself. And yeah, let's get some photos and some videos, and yeah. Alright, as you can see, sunset colors starting to absolutely pop off over there. So yeah, we're going to take some shots of this. Clouds are starting to just be beautiful, so we're gonna find some nice foreground in the rocks down here, or maybe try some cactus over there and get some good shots for sunset. Alright, so we just wrapped up shooting a time lapse, get some shots with the drone. Epic spot. I mean, well worth it for sure. Definitely will be back. Wish I had a little more time, kind of came out here last minute on a Friday night, but we'll be back. Really think it's a cool spot. Yeah, so I don't know. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like I said, I'll put like a blog with some directions down below on how to get here exactly. Maybe some like pictures, some settings I used. I'll throw those in the video too, though. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Come check out the spot. Once again, I'm blanking, but I've already said it in the video, so I'm not going to worry about saying it again. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.